Hi all and welcome back. Today let's discuss about Spain localization in Odoo 40. So let's move on to Spain localization and see the features provided in localization package. Normally at the time of creation of a database, it will ask the user to mention the country. So on choosing the country, localization package of Odoo for that country will be automatically added. Okay. So let's move to App Store. And if you search for Spain, you can see here we have some modules related to Spain localization. So here we have one module, that is Spain accounting PGC 2018, and we have another module for managing reporting. So this module defines the chart of accounts for this localization. It can be Spanish General Chart of Accounts 2018 and Spanish General Chart of Accounts 2018 for small and medium companies, and Chart of Accounts for associations. And it also defines templates for sales and purchase, VAT, tax reports, and fiscal position for Spanish fiscal legislation. Then here we have another module for managing reports. So this module defines the Spanish accounting reports. So one can also install new localization package for the new database and can choose which package needs to be used from the accounting configuration settings. So this has to be done before making entries to accounting. And on installation of the modules, chart of accounts for the corresponding localization were automatically generated. So Spain localization provides different types of chart of accounts. So when you open our accounting module and we go to configuration settings, okay, so here we can set the fiscal localization. So taxes, fiscal position, chart of accounts, and legal statements for your country. And you can set create company, and you can set the country and tax details inside the company. Okay. And okay, so here we can see option to add packages. So if you haven't installed packages, you can install more packages just clicking on this. So for Spain localization package, we have 3 chart of accounts, and you can choose one of them. So here I can choose PGCA PIMES 2018, and after that you can save this. Okay, and here we can see our fiscal country set as Spain. So only tax reports associated with this country will be available. Now let's check our reporting. Okay, so here we can see a section shown for Spain. So here we can view balance sheet specific to Spain localization. So you can see the balance sheet. So you can see the total amount, and here we can print preview, export XLS, and save this. And here we have some filtering options. We can make comparison, and we can filter this by analytic accounts. Then here we have other reports. So you can see tax report mode 111. So every quarter, some specific amount of tax is collected from the employees and other professionals are defined by Mode 111 report. So this report details the earning from work, economic activity returns, capital gains derived, total settlements, etc. So from here we can add change details and generate report. Then we have tax report mode 115. So every quarter the tenants have to pay 19% tax on the business rentals issued by the mode 115 report. Then we have 303. So it defines the VAT return form that all self-employed people in Spain must make every quarter to report their earnings and to pay tax. Then 347. So in this report you can see an amount. So for all business transaction above this amount, mode 347 tax declared has to be submitted to Spanish tax authority. So in this report, all receivables and payables are recorded and also contains reports on insurance and lease activities as well as leasing information of buildings leased and owned by the company. So while drafting an invoice, here we can see, select the customer, and here we can see an AEAT data under which you can find a field to choose a type for mode 347. So it defines a category into which these invoice fall for mode 347 reports. And the same can see for vendor bills also. So here we can find a tab, and from here we can select the type for mode 347. Then we have tax report mode 349. So if the company engages in business with firms that are members of the European Union, the company must apply a tax declaration of 349 to the Spanish tax authority. So this report contains details about both accounts payable and accounts receivable activities with companies within the European Union. Then we have a profit and loss report for our Spain. So you can see the report here. Can view the profit and loss report details, the net turnover, work carried out by the company for its assets, procurement, impairment, results from disposals of fixed assets, etc., and financial results like income, expenses, exchange differences, and tax on profits. So that's all about Spain localization in Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.